Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic artificial intelligence. So let's get started. Who is widely considered the father of artificial intelligence and coined the term in 1955? The correct answer is option B, John McCarthy. In which year was the Dartmouth Workshop, the event that officially launched the field of AI, held? The correct answer is option C, 1956. What was the name of the first paper published by Alan Turing that described the imitation game? The correct answer is option A, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Developed in the mid-1960s at MIT, which program is considered the world's first chatbot? The correct answer is option D, ELIZA. In 1997, which IBM supercomputer defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov? The correct answer is option B, Deep Blue. The publication of the book, Perceptrons, in 1969 is often cited as a cause for the first AI winter. Who were its authors? The correct answer is option A, Marvin Minsky and Seymour Papert. Which early expert system was designed in the 1970s to identify bacteria causing severe infections and recommend antibiotics? The correct answer is option D, Mycin. Which program, created by Newell, Shaw, and Simon in 1955, is often called the first AI program? The correct answer is option C, Logic Theorist. Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts published a logical calculus of the ideas immanent in nervous activity, in which year, laying the foundation for neural networks? The correct answer is option A, 1943. The Lighthill Report, which led to a massive reduction in AI funding in the UK during the 1970s, was published in which country? The correct answer is option B, United Kingdom. What was the name of the first general-purpose mobile robot developed at SRI International between 1966 and 1972? The correct answer is option C, Shaky. Which country launched the fifth-generation computer systems project in 1982, aiming to create computers with human-like reasoning? The correct answer is option D, Japan. The modern revival of neural networks in the 1980s is largely credited to the popularization of which algorithm? The correct answer is option A, backpropagation. What is the opening question of Alan Turing's 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence? The correct answer is option B. I propose to consider the question, can machines think? The physical symbol system hypothesis was proposed by which two AI pioneers? The correct answer is option C, Newell and Simon. Which of the following was the first expert system developed in 1965 to analyze chemical compounds? The correct answer is option D, Dendral. The ALPAC report in 1966 led to a significant decrease in funding for which specific area of AI research? The correct answer is option A, machine translation. In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated which world-class Go player? The correct answer is option B, Lee Sedol. Who developed the Chinese room thought experiment in 1980 to argue against the possibility of strong AI? The correct answer is option C, John Searle. In 1951, Marvin Minsky and Dean Edmonds built the first neural network simulator. What was it called? The correct answer is option D, Snark. Which science fiction author introduced the 3 laws of robotics in the 1942 short story Runaround? The correct answer is option A, Isaac Asimov. Which programming language, created by John McCarthy in 1958, became the dominant language for AI research for decades? The correct answer is option B, Lisp. The term machine learning was coined in 1959 by which pioneer, who also created a famous checkers playing program? The correct answer is option C, Arthur Samuel. The general problem solver GPS, developed in 1959, was intended to work by using which technique? The correct answer is option D, means-ends analysis. The deep learning boom of the 2010s was largely catalyzed by the success of which neural network in the 2012 ImageNet Challenge? The correct answer is option A, AlexNet. In Asimov's 3 laws of robotics, what is the first law? The correct answer is option B. A robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. What was the original name for the Turing Test as described in Alan Turing's 1950 paper? The correct answer is option C, the imitation game. Which AI programming language, based on formal logic, was developed in Marseille, France, in 1972? The correct answer is option D, Prolog. In 1950, who wrote Programming a Computer for Playing Chess, the first paper on the subject of computer chess? The correct answer is option A, Claude Shannon. Who is the computer scientist responsible for creating ImageNet, the dataset that revolutionized deep learning research? The correct answer is option B, Fei Fei Li. Thank you for watching.